guys, welcome back to my dad's channel. I have my own channel, but I'm using my dad's one today. So, like 2 years ago, I did a video about all my squishies, but now there's this new thing called fidgets. So I'm going to show you all of my fidgets, and I'm going to talk about them. So first, the classic puzzles. Everyone knows what puzzles are. And then we have this giant orb squishy. These are pretty classic too. These been out for a while. Well, this isn't really a fidget, but I'd call it as a fidget because Orbeez are kind of fidget. But there's that. I have a dimple digit. Dimple digits are like poppets, which I'll show you in a little bit. Dimple digits are just something for like babies, kind of. They have numbers on them, Spanish and English. But I think they're pretty cool. And the poppet. So there's one quiet side. And then there's one loud side. By the way, these you can get at Dollar Tree. I got the puzzles. These puzzles can really get anywhere. Simple digits. Oops. Simple digits you can get at like. Well, I got this one at Barnes and Noble. Another poppet. I love this one. And then we have, I just got this poppet today actually. And then this heart poppet, it has letters on it. And then we have pin art. These are pretty classic too, right? Dad, these been out for a while. These been out for a pretty long time. Yeah. But these, I got this one at Big Lots actually. There's that. DNA balls. You can get these on Amazon. I think they're pretty cool. My dad loves them. You love them. Oh my god.
What? No.
Alright, also, I have a Nido. They're squishies. Just like this, but, oh my god.
It's broke.
Yeah, I know. We broke that one. Oh my god, I keep dropping the phone. But this one is a classic one, regular one. I have some other ones. These are not made out of Orbeez. This is made out of shaving cream, which is very messy if you cut it open, so be careful. That, and I got this at Hallmark also. This one I got from Learning Express. It's the fidget store.
God, how many you got?
Yeah, I have like 100. So yeah. Okay, here's another strawberry Nido. Friend gave me a cheat cut off the stem. The classic Rubik's Cube. I can never solve these, they're just fun to twist around. And the classic fidget spinner. These are classic. A lot of this stuff is classic that I have. And 2 more puppets. I love Among Us. And then my favorite color, blue. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puppets. And then this Orbeez squishy. And then this snapper. This thing from Dollar Tree. This is a puzzle ball. This is just random. I just put that in my pile. When I first started fidget hunting around my house, I just put it in there. First, I didn't really know what fidgets were, but I just threw it. This thing, I got it at my cousin's 16 Sweet 16, I mean. You got party bags, whatever they are. This really nice sand squishy, I got it for Christmas from my friend. Emoji, there are a lot more emojis. And then a globble that sticks to the ceiling. Wacky track. I don't know what this thing is. It's a squishy ring. There's this thing. I didn't rate this a 1 out of 10. I don't know why I'm rating it. Because I have to wash it. Yeah, there's that.
You mean you gotta wash it?
Does it work on all?
Here's a paw print emoji. A mini
This one can go
Nido.
in the trash Monday. You hear me?
A mini Nido. I'm going to show
It's going
this.
it's under the couch. Get it. Get it.
I got
Because
this. I
then the
use
dog
it.
will end up chewing it to smithereens.
Where's that?
That's what you wanted that thing for? It went under. You got to get it.
And then I have
Sorry,
this
you
penguin
gotta get
emoji. Hi, Nikki.
Oh, you have so much stuff.
I know, they're all fidgets.
Ooh, that's cute.
Rubik's
We'll
Cube. Do
try
you know how to
solving
solve them?
No,
Can
we'll
you
try
please solve it?
Alyss,
Do you know how to solve the middle part?
Alyss,
Can I show you? Give
I
me a
want
sec.
to order a pool, but it's 12 by 36, which means it's 3 feet.
I will be right back.
That's okay, right?
Okay, so my brother's gonna try and solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna show you how many fidgets I have so far. I would do all of these, but that's a lot of fidgets. Well, yeah. I hope this video will go viral because fidgets are like, people make so much money off them. But anyways, another emoji. This is a bunny, one of my favorites. I use this as a water timer too. It's the same thing, just in a bottle. Monkey noodle. Ooh, I like these. I'm gonna try to get all my emojis out because ooh, here's a glow in the dark penguin emoji. It's blue. A tiger emoji. A pig emoji. A fish. I think it's a whatever. But I don't know what that is, but it's really cute. This panda, polar bear, whatever.
Oh, Liz.
And this thing. What?
Remember the show I was talking to you about that I thought was
This random thing. Piece
I
of a
said
time.
the yes or the yes man.
Yeah.
I said as a kid I was talking about liar liar where I can't tell any more lies.
Okay, but
That's on
here's
TV. You wanna watch it?
sure. Not right now
Watch it tonight?
though. Sure. There's this thing from the vending machine things.
Lynn,
What?
after we go to Yogurtland,
Yeah. We're still going to Legoland? It's 8 o'clock. What time are they open till?
go to take there.
Alright. So this is gonna end really quickly actually. I have this infinity cube, this thing I showed you. More globbles. Another globble. Pea pods. The rest of the tangle. Magnetic rings are one of my favorites. I got these from Hallmark, by the way, too. Like, most of my good fidgets are from Hallmark. Okay, I have this homemade thing. It's all dried up. I don't know why this is. Another emoji. Another orgy thing. A pop cube. Homemade bike chain. Something that's popped. Another glow-in-the-dark emoji the panda. This monkey noodle, tangle. Holy. A fidgety cube. This marble thing. A marble mesh. This Orbeez ball. Another tangle. A net. This squishy thing. A mini poppet. This thing. Another emoji. This other infinity cube. Another Neato. Another emoji. This thing. Another DNA ball. And this homemade thing. But yeah, I have to end the video here. So I'm gonna put all these away. And yeah. So while I'm putting these away, I'm gonna talk about where I got most of them. Most of them, I get all my fidgets from Amazon and Hallmark. Hallmark has really good fidgets. Normally I get them from Amazon and Learning Express or Hallmark, like I just said. But Hallmark does have some good fidgets, but they are really pricey, and same with Learning Express. But like, Amazon, like the poppets are $1, but obviously the real jumbo one is like $15. Jumbo. Like, it's kind of crazy how you, like on TikTok you see people, like, they probably spend thousands of dollars spending money on fidgets, and it's kind of like crazy talk when they talk about fidgets. It's just like, you always, whenever they talk about them, you're just like, I want more. It's like, anyway. But, yeah. I'm gonna go now. But, yeah. Bye.